Subqueries. So here, these subqueries are very important to us, okay, while developing RISE components in our actual applications. So most probably we are going to use in these subqueries and we will get the proper output from a database. Okay. Then first here observe this one. Subquery is nothing but a query within the query. So already we worked on that, right? But we don't know how the logic is going to execute it in a particular query. But here every logic is going to depend on inner query. Based on that inner query value, the outer query is executed. So already we implemented this logic in functions, right? In that functions, L-trim and R12 and uppercase means upper function and lower function, right? So in this point of time, first the inner value is executed. Based on that inner value, the outer value is going to execute it. So here also the same thing. So whenever we want to work with the subquery, first of all we are going to understand what is the logic we want to implement into the inner query. Okay. So based on that only we are going to approach this subquery. So example here, again we have two types of subqueries. One is simple subquery, another one is correlated subquery. In these two subqueries also, simple subquery is we regularly use in our real life. Means 99% we are approaching the simple subquery. But correlated subquery we are not possible to use this one. Why? Because it is taking long time while execute the query. That is the reason. But the simple subquery, it is taking less time and get the data, get the result as soon as possible. That is the reason every person should prefer the subqueries. Okay. And the simple subquery. The correlated subquery also do the same work, but it is taking long time. So I will explain to you how it is going to work. Okay. Then now, first we open the SQL prompt. This is the last class for SQL. So this is our table S tab. Now here observe this one. Say example query within the query. Query within the query. So earlier we done inline view, right? The inline view also is having two queries, right? But where we write the inner query? Where? As a table. Instead of table we are using the one query. So that query is work like as a table, and the final outer query is going to depend on that and get the data, right? Say example here, select store from, okay, instead of table I am writing the query that is called as inline view. Here observe this one, select store from EFP. So what is the result we are getting? Same 14 records is getting from the same table, right? So now here observe this one. But when we want to use the subqueries, suppose say example here, I want to see who are working 10th department. How we can go to write? In where class we can write it, right? Then say example here, EMP, sorry, staff where DEPT number equal to 10. Then we can easily find out who are working with 10th department, right? So in this point of time, I want to get the data from the database in 10th department, so who are working under another person. Means say example is a very simple example. 1 second. Then here observe this one. Display the employees details who are getting maximum salary. So how we can go to write it? So I want to see, very simple example, then it is a better example. I want to see in our employee table who are getting maximum salary. How we can go to write it? Select star from staff salary equal to max of salary. So every person should use this logic. Okay, whenever we want to get the maximum salary from the table, right? Then here it's a better example for subquery. Then observe carefully. What happened? What is the error we are getting? Group function is not allowed here. What are the group functions? What are the group functions? What are the aggregate functions? Max, R, minimum, R, average. These are the group functions, right? Now observe this one. Here I want to get a maximum salary from employee table. Suppose say example, in this way can be possible? Just you can check it. Select star from S tab. Okay. Here I have 14 records. What is the maximum salary? 5,000. Huh? 5,000, right? Then now here observe this one. S tab where salary equal to 5,000. It's possible. But here we have 14 records, we can easily identify which is the employee is getting the 5,000. Directly we can apply that condition in where class. Suppose in our table I have lakhs of records. Now I want to find out who are getting the maximum salary. How we can do that? Observe this one. The answer of the query is correct. The query is correct or not? But where exactly we are going to specify the condition, that is the very important. So in equal, select the store from table where sal equal to, this is the maximum. First of all, what we do? What we know when we are going to execute this query? The maximum salary. First we want to understand what is the maximum salary in our table. What is the maximum salary in our table? Then we can easily understand and we can easily develop who are getting the maximum salary. So how we can go to find out the maximum salary from a table? So directly I want to see who are getting the maximum salary. Directly I want to see what is the maximum salary in our table. Select max of from EMP. Select max of sal from EMP. Now we are getting the 5,000. Right? Have you find out the 5,000 or not? Even though you can update any employee who are having the 7,000, that 7,000 is as a maximum salary. So which query we are using for getting the maximum salary? Select max of from EMP, right? All of you clear on this? Then now let us say I am going to write this way. What is the query? Select max of sal from EMP. This query is written maximum salary of employee, right? There. Now in this maximum salary I am going to execute select star from EMP where salary equal to so what is the query is going to which is the query is executed first? First the inner query is executed. What is the value is going to pass? 5,000. That 5,000 is going to pass to the outer query. Outer query. Now outer query is executed and get the data. Then now let us examine. Check it. Clear all of you? Yes. Suppose I have one more question. Here I am getting the salary from employee table. The same logic you can use in any table. Definitely we are find out the maximum salary. Now my question is I want to find out maximum salary department wise. I want to find out maximum salary in department wise. So first how we can approach? First of all we find out department wise maximum salary. Are you clear or not? So my requirement is we want to find out the employees information who are getting maximum salary in department wise.
We are using relation operation in subquery.
No. Let us see. Example. My question is I want to find out the employees information who are getting maximum salary department wise. So in this question, first which is the logic we want to implement?
Department wise.
First of all, we want to find out maximum salary of department wise. Then how we can write it? The query. Select max of sal. Where? Then here it is showing only 10. Then you can specify department number. Okay. Then okay, fine. Where DPT number in 10, 20, 30. Is it working? Then let us just we can check it. What happened? We don't want to worry about that. Only maximum or only 10th department salary? Observe carefully. Only maximum or 10th department maximum salary? So how we can achieve that? Is it possible? Let it be check it. What happened? Have we get or not? So what is the result is going to return this query? This query is going to return the maximum salary in each and every department. Now I want to see who are getting this employees information. Who are getting this salary means that here what we do? Clear? Now let us execute that. So what happened here? What happened here? Too many values. The query always return. So here select star from EMP where sal equal to 1, 2, 3. What happened? Observe this one. Let us select star from EMP where EMP number equal to 7902, 7900. What happened? Have you get the result? We are not possible to get the data while going to pass multiple columns data in where class. Suppose the same requirement here. Have you get it or not?
Yes.
So here observe this one. This query is going to return how many values? 3 values. Then that 3 values are directly I am going to specify in equal. So that is the reason we are getting too many values. So how we can achieve? Suppose here I don't want to write the group by DEPT number. Just here I am going to write where DEPT number equal to 10. It is going to show us who are getting the 10th maximum salary. Suppose where DEPT number equal to 20. 20th department maximum salary 30. But I want to see all department salaries. Then here what exactly we do? Here instead of equal we can use the in. Directly we can use the in, right? Here observe this one. This is the query, right? In this query, what exactly I want to do? Salary in. If you specify the salary equal, it is not showing a proper output. Too many values. It is not a bug, it is not error also. Let it be. Where salary in, select max of salary. Again it is showing me too many values. Yeah. So here what happened here? So in this point earlier we are choosing 2 columns, fine? That is the reason we are getting the error. So here now I want to change equal. Let us check it. What happened? Single row subquery returns more than 1 row. Suppose if you specify 2 columns within the query, then we are getting too many values. Select star from S tab where employee number equal to 7902. We are getting the data, right? Then next select star from S tab where employee number equal to 7902 comma 7900. It is not working. So here how many values we are passing? One value or 2 values? More than 1 value means 2 values we are passing. Then here system is going to show us error. Does not possible to execute this type of queries. Clear? So in this point of time, which logic we are find out? No. In this point of time, what exactly we are going to understand in this query? We never ever possible to pass multiple values at a time. We never ever possible to pass multiple values at a time. Okay, we always pass only single value. We always pass only a single value from where class. Clear? So now observe this one. Now we want to go for our requirement. Our requirement is select star from what is our requirement? Select max of sal from EMP S tab group by DEPT number. We find out the maximum salaries under each and every department. Department wise maximum salary we are find out. But it is not our final result. Our final result is we want to find out who are getting this one. Who are getting this maximum salary. Suppose say example in this point of time maximum cases the people is implemented this way. Right? So here what happened?
EMP number, EMP name comes, and salary comes.
Then here it is not a group by expression. Already I told you, whenever we are going to specify the column from select class, we must specify that columns from group by class. Okay. Group by DEPT number along with EMP number, E name. Observe. How many records we are getting? So it is going to return in the form of group by EMP number, E name and DEPT number. So combination of that 3 records it is going to return. But is it a final result? No. So in this point of time, what we do?
So here department number not is
Yeah, I didn't specify. That is enough. Here, if you want, then you can specify here. Whatever it may be, if you want, then we'll be going to specify into the but it is not our final result. What is our result? We want to find out the employees information who are getting maximum salary department wise. Okay. Done. Now, first select max of sal from staff group by DEPT number. Why I am using the group by DEPT number? It is going to show us department wise maximum salary. Oh, sorry. There. So here, but the system is going to return, this query is going to return how many records? Not values. 3 records. Suppose if you specify max sal, comma DEPT number. 2 values means nothing but a 2 columns in nothing but a 2 values. 2 values never possible to pass from where class. So we don't want to use that one. Definitely we want to pass only single value. We want to pass only single value. Okay. Here we are written single value from the this query. From this query we are written single value. But the single value is written how many records? 3 records. How is possible to pass the 3 records from where class? We cannot possible, right? Then here observe this one. Select star from EMP where salary equal to subquery. Okay. Then first this subquery is executed and return how many records? 3 records. Have you possible to pass that 3 records in a single query? We are not possible to pass that one. Then let us check it. We are getting the error. Then clearly it shows what is the error? Single row subquery returns more than 1 row. In this point of time we are going to understand where exactly this error is going to occur. In subquery or inner query or outer query. Inner query or outer query?
outer query.
Observe carefully where the error is coming. Inner query is written 3 records, right? Then now we want to specify. So now an example, select star from EMP where employee number in 79007902. Have you executed or not? The same manner I am going to use here. But here we are getting one doubt. What is the doubt? 4 records. But department wise it is showing only 3 records. But here it is showing 4 records. What happened? What is the difference? In department 20, 2 maximum salaries are there. 2 maximum salaries are there. Now I have one more question. I want to find out second maximum salary from a table. Have we clear or not? In our employee table, sorry, here This is our table. In that table, who is the get the maximum salary? King is getting the maximum salary. Say example. Now I want to insert one more record. Insert into S tab values. Then here 1, 2, 3, 4 and name. Now inserted one more record for having the same salary. Let us check it. How many records? 15 records. Now I want to execute the same query. I want to execute the same query. Then here in this point of time, check it. What happened? It is not permanently stored in our database. Oh, okay. Sorry. Right? Now we are getting 5 records. What is that? 10th department, 2 members are there. In 20th, in 20th departments also 2 members are there. 1 second. Update stamp set the number equal to 10. Where whenever we are using the DML statement, we must use the commit. Then only it is. Because of it is not stored in our save in our database. That is the reason. Already we discussed point commit and rollback here.
It is working on our system only, sir. But this working system or other problems problem. User one local
another user also same. Whenever we are using the updated means commit statement, it is permanently stay into the database directly. Another end user also using another machine also it is reflected.
But commit apply ikuna mana user lo undi anka mana chesukochu ani chepparu sir. Chudochu manam chuskoleము.
I didn't. So now here I am getting 2 maximum salaries. 2 maximum salaries. Now my question is here, observe this one. Display the employee details who are getting second maximum salary. Who are getting second maximum salary. How we can do that? Let us see. First of all, here observe this one. Let us. Select start from S tab, right? Select max of sal from S tab. Which value we are getting?
5,000.
5,000 only. But 5,000 are how many records?
2 records.
2 records. Let us check it. It is showing only 1. But I want to see second maximum salary. I want to see second maximum salary. Then here, where salary less than or greater than? Less than. Then I want to find out the less than. Again, select max of sal from S tab. Let us check it. It is showing 3,000. It is showing 3,000. It is a second maximum salary. But here now we can check it entire respected table. Okay. Then now select from S tab where salary in check it 20th department is having, but which department we are choosing? What happened into the maximum salary of that? Let it. Here I find out the second maximum salary, right? Who is the second maximum salary? 3,000. Then 3,000 we are getting 2 members. We are getting 2 members. Suppose here I want to remove this one. 1 second. Let it be. Finish. 5,000 is the maximum salary, but how many members are there? 2 members. That 2 members I want to see. Means the second maximum salary. Suppose if you want to see only second maximum salary,
Similar salary.
then who are getting the maximum salary? Here, say example, 3,000 is the second maximum salary. But 3,000, how many members are getting? That all people I want to see. Then we can go for this one. Here, this query is going to return how many times? Sorry, this query is going to return the maximum salary who are getting the equal maximum salary. Then this query is going to return second maximum salary, and how many members are getting second maximum salary? All employees information is going to show. Clear? All of you. Then suppose in this point of time,
So into 5,000 we can write equal condition.
Less than 5,000 only, sir. Less than 5,000 అంటే అక్కడ మీరు less than 5,000 తీసుకున్నారు కదా. Select max salary.
no. Here, first it is executed. In this entire query, what is the subquery?
Select
Means inner query.
Select max salary.
This is the inner query, right? Select max sal from EMP. How much value is returned? 5,000. Then 5,000 less than, again, what is this? Max of salary. In this 5,000 less than how much? 3,000. That will be going to return.
Less than 5,000 అంటే all records will be-
No. Here we are specified this one max sal.
In that 5,000.
Yeah, max sal. What is the max sal? So the first one is 5,000. Second max is 3,000. Does not consider the every salary. It is considered only maximum salary only. It is does not check 5,000, 3,000, 2,850. Does not check it. Here, what exactly we are writing the condition? We want to retrieve. We want to retrieve only maximum salary. What is that?
Sir, 5,000 ఇద్దరు ఉన్నారు ఇంకా ఇన్ కండిషన్ వస్తారు. ఒకళ్ళు ఉంటే ఈక్వల్ కండిషన్ అప్లికబుల్ అవుతుంది.
Yeah.
సో నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ డేటా ఉంటే నేను బెటర్ టు గో ఇన్ ఓన్లీ.
Yeah.
ఇన్స్టెడ్ ఆఫ్ ఈక్వల్ ఇట్ ఇస్ ద బెటర్ ఇన్. ఇన్ కండిషన్ ఇస్ ద బెటర్ దెన్.
Then only it is going to return. Suppose we cannot use the in class. We cannot use the in operator. It is going to return more than one record. It is written more than one record. It does not get the data.
Third highest quality to query access.
Then again you can go to add one more. Very simple logic. Then here what we do?
Again less than.
Then for that purpose also we have so many logics are there. Nothing to worry. Where sal in? Then here where salary here in from a staff this is the query. Again what we do? Then it is another query, right? It is another query. So in this query what we do? Again we can go to specifying from EMP, then from staff, then where salary less than, again select max of sal from staff. Then first it is going to execute this one. Okay, select max of salary from staff 5,000. So 5,000 less than which value? 3,000. 3,000 less than what is the value? Is that value is going to return. Clear? There. Now I want to execute this one. Yeah, let us check it. Missing right parenthesis. So this parenthesis is very important to us. Max of sal from stamp is close, and here it is close.
This one close for this step, sir, not for part.
Second one. No. This entire will be going to second. Yeah.
Okay.
Now it is right. Unexpected end of the. One second. Then select max of salary. Again select max of salary from their salary.
In second sir, we know there's not the parenthesis for from step first and second.
Second one.
Second base salary select max of sal from step, base salary select of max of step from step, we close the parenthesis. In
This
top,
one?
in top. Just ending for we close first. We just opened in for s less than equal to. In that we want to close.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1. This is closed. This is closed. This is closed. This one.
First one, two necessary.
First standing, sir. Where standing?
1 second. No, let it be. Check it. So this is the max of sal from staff base.
Want to close one more.
Before where?
Before where?
Max of
We
sal
want to close
from
one more parenthesis.
where? Here?
Because we started with the base salary.
Yes.
We want to apply 3 for last one.
Yeah, we want to.
3. We want to
Yes.
go for 3 for last.
Again we specify one more condition. Then same condition select max of sal.
Where standing?
Here salary. That's all. Now it is right. Third maximum salary. So max. This is a very important one. Interview point of the asking question. So how can you find out the second maximum salary? Before going to find out the second maximum salary, first of all we want to understand how to get the maximum salary. Within the maximum salary we can find out the second maximum salary. Based on that second maximum salary we can find out the data from the total records from the table. Clear? All of you. So next we can go for here. Observe this one. So we have a specific, I have done 10 to 12 subqueries. Each and every query is going to working same logic. Suppose here observe this one. Display the employee details to get the particular maximum salary employee. To get the particular maximum salary employee. Observe. Just I am going to execute this one. Particular maximum salary employee means I want to find out the here where, then here I am going to give the a proper one, anyone. You can give anyone that will be going to related to that respected data. Suppose here. I am going to specify that one. Select star from. So before that, first we want to find out what is the value we'll be getting while execute this query. While execute this query, what is the value we are getting? So here I can specify the multiple conditions. Let us check it. Let us check it. Here it is not having the proper condition. Here we have a
Remove the last parameter.
no. This is the condition. Distinct sal, count of distinct sal.
Just remove the last parameter because it already closes for
Sir,
distinct.
current input is just, sir.
Distinct salary means
Unique
unique one, right? We have several employees is there. Some employees is having multiple salaries. Sorry, same salaries. So some people are having the duplicate salaries, duplicate or whatever it may be. So in this point of time, now I want to apply some condition. What is the condition here? Just let us check it. Why the people is going to apply that condition. Here it is written which value? 12. So from employee table, so here we have a staff. Observe this one. A staff. A staff is a alias name of E. Alias name of E. This alias name I am going to specify where. Here I can check the condition.
Step also provide E only.
Yeah, that is the alias name.
From step,
Yeah, here I am using from a step. This one.
you already mentioned alias name for step as E.
No. Here observe this one. How many times I am using this table? Here one table. Outer query.
Alias name is E.
In inner query also I am using that table.
It's correct.
It is a step. So but condition checking is inner query salary equal to outer query salary. Inner query salary equal to outer query salary. What is outer query here? E is a outer query because of alias name of our outer query table. Outer query table here. Are we clear or not? Okay. Then now let us check it. What happened? Now it is asking to us number. Employee number. Okay. Now I am going to give one. Sorry, here where number equal to count of distinct. First maximum salary, right? Second maximum salary. Third maximum salary. Fourth maximum salary. Observe this one. But I don't want to earlier query. We can go to increase the query, right? But whenever the query within the query, how much time it is taking? It is taking long time. So now I am going to implement this one. So in this point of time, which is the value you can pass that respected means fifth maximum salary, second maximum salary, third maximum salary. Suppose say example, I am passing 9. It is showing
ninth
maximum salary. But what happened here?
one more salary added.
Yeah, ninth maximum salary is there. 1250, 1250.
Okay.
Correct. Salary is multiple times. All of you clear or not? Okay. Then, yeah. Yes. Here, this is the way we are going to find out. It's a very important one. So, which is the value I am going to pass? That particular maximum salary I want to see. Clear? So, how it is going to execute it? How it is going to execute it? Then here, variant, whenever we are executing this query only, what is the value we return? 12, right? Just it is going to find out the records, the only distinct values. So distinct values are salary. Distinct salary. So we have 14, 15 records. Is there in this 15? How many duplicates? 3 are the duplicates. 3 are the duplicates. Because of 5,000 duplicate, 3,000 duplicate, and 1250 is duplicate. Yeah. Yes. But earlier we added one record. That is the reason record. So from S tab. So whenever we execute this query, we are written 12 records. 12 records. Next, again I am going to check where salary less than or equal to this query salary. Each and every time it is checking. So if it is showing 1, based on that one we are getting the first maximum salary. Then we can pass the second maximum salary. Which is the best one? This one is best or earlier query is best? This is the best one. Okay, we don't have any, just we can go to implemented the proper way.
Maximum.
Select, okay, star from DEPT where D name equal to research. Have you find out the research department? Then now I want to find out who are working with this research employees information. Okay, then now select start from EMP where ఏంటమ్మా what happened? First inner query is going to executed. Which value is getting? Department number. What is the department number? Research department number, right? That research department I am going to pass into outer query. Then we are getting the result. Are we clear or not? Then here the research department is 20. We don't have the department name in our employee table. Suppose we have a department name in our employee table. What happened? Have you necessary to write the subquery? Directly write it. Select star from EMP where D name equal to research. Automatically we are getting this record. But we don't have the D name. We have the DEPT number. So what we do? First we want to go to find out the respected research department number. That number will be passed into the outer query. Right? All of you. I have one more question. Select star from S tab. So here I want to see the employees information who are working under 7839 manager, under King manager. I want to see the employees information who are working under King. King is a manager, right? 7839. 7839 is there. Then suppose here we don't have like that. How we can go to implement the subquery? First of all, we find out the keyword. So here I don't want to tell to you the manager number. I clearly tell to you the manager name. Manager name. Manager number is there, directly you can execute. But I clearly tell you, you can check with manager name.
We go for manager
So here.
manager employee number.
Yeah. First, then select star. Sorry, here e name. Okay. From EMP, where MGR. Then here we find out the king, right?
King.
So first of all, one second. Here manager. Sorry. From EMP, where e name equal to king. But here what is the result we are getting? That king don't have the manager, but I want to find out under the, observe this one, EMP number.
EMP numbers.
Manager EMP number.
Exactly. Done. Here what we do?
EMP number.
Yes.
It will use 783.
There. Now it is having a 7839. Now we can execute this sub query, means inner query to outer query. So outer query, how we can select from EMP where MGR equal to, very good. Then, so we are working with that under that manager. Yes. Clear? So this is the way. This is the way we want to use the subqueries. So first of all, we are going to understand what is the key word in a question. Okay. So based on that only we can find out. Okay. We have list of queries is there. You can go to do this each and every one and practically you can execute it. First, how it is going to work? First, we are going to checking inner query. What is the value is going to return and which value is going to pass to the outer query. Clear? All of you. Okay. So this is the way we are going to use while achieve the subqueries.